Hello, Robert 100 Cars Repair. Welcome to my channel. I show you quick how to change oil step by step effectively. Right, first step. First step is shopping, of course. But because it's a lot of mileage, I bought this one. 5W30 is for Ford. It's a for diesel and petrol vehicles. It's semi, so it's natural and synthetics. So this is semi oil. It's 5 liters. Second things, filter oil. In that case, there is a that company Audura called. It's for Ford, and look like this. This is the filter with the case, of course. Case belongs to the car. Filter, it's filter itself. The first step after buying is remove that cover, which was here. After that, remove cover. Yeah, remove first stick, of course. Before remove cover, stick, and the oil itself, oil cap. Yeah, then cover. Once we remove the cover, we have access for filter. First, next step is remove the filter. Make sure you can remove. Don't remove oil. Oil is the last things which you need to do. So first you need to check if you are able to remove the cover filter. I mean this one. Oh, look like this shape. And use that wrench with size 27. By this tool I have an easy access because it's long, as you see. Once you able to move little bit only, that means you are able to remove, right? Then next step, remove big cover which is under engine. I don't have this cover. The previous owner lost this one. On the back of it, there is a hole, which bolt. You need to remove that bolt. As I says, remove only a little bit. Just make sure you can remove. So once it's done, we know already the bolt have a slack. Is that the one? So unscrew little bit only. So you know we are able. So on that stage, we are able to remove the filter. We know that, and the bolt. Right. Next step is put the can. I mean the kind of the tank. I cut it in half and move that straightly forward. So if oil blow very strong, it's blow around the even I can say 30 centimeters. You don't spread oil on the surface. That's why it's I push forward the container. So around 30 centimeters, because if you have here, it's not don't go down. That's push straight forward about 30 centimeters and then fall down. So this is very important part, because if you spread oil on your driveway, it will be very hard to remove. This is most important things. So we know we have a container. We can fully remove the filter, so nothing held by pressure the rest of the oil. We can clean also the inside around from old oil. And then after remove that cap, of course, we change the oil. There is a gasket around, round gasket. We remove that as well, and we put inside new. Actually, on the end of we put the that filter. So I just put that to avoid make it dirty, right? So we remove that screw, but we make slowly until we hear like a click. When we hear the click, so we move, and we hear the click. When we hear the click, put back a little bit, and after that, we know what we have to do. We have to unscrew and run away very fast. Then pressure hit the tank. I mean the white container with the oil, and we do not make it dirty our hands. So this is important. When we click, come back and prepare yourself a little bit, turn and remove very fast, right? So oil pressure hit a container, not driveway, and we just wait for when the oil move out. Oh fuck. Right. I thought it's not recorded. It is recording. Right. I forget one important thing. The left side car is like that. We do not need to level up, but this side we need level up, because the container for the engine, that things is more on the left side. So left side couldn't be lower, right side from my side must be up, right? So you can see difference. So if it's the front car, lower, up, and we see the oil run away, and only a little bit left. Right. So now we're ready to put the filter back. So I just put the filter. Top of it, there is on the middle is kind of spring, and then and the gasket is around. It's ready. So between cable, and I have to find the nice click. Turn back, turn right, turn back to right, until you catch the right direction. Straight, until you tread like make a forward and right way filter. We can feel that it's right, because if we turn, it's long twist. We feel like in the fingers is doing right until close, and after that we use the wrench. Oh. And remember, we make not too strong, because it's made from plastic, just until we feel the resist. Oh, long time. Oh. Oh. So I used to only one left hand. and I feel resist. I cannot do anymore. So to make sure it's turned full, I'm gonna use 2 hands to twist on a little bit stronger, but not too strong. Please remember, it's made from plastic. It's done. This bolt is secured. Oops. So this bolt is secured. It's most important. Oops. Filter is inside. Filter cap is secured. Stick back. Cap for oil is secured. So now we're gonna switch on engine. There's a tip. Right. Remove from ignition. Put back. Wait a little bit. One more thing, the service oil is on. Probably I have to find out how to reset this one, but I'm gonna do later that one. So I turn and switch, try to switch on engine, but not I don't mention to switch on engine, I just only turn 3 times. Avoid to switch on engine like this. 1, 2, 3. Why? So I want to make sure the oil new oil going all around inside the engine, and additionally it's good for turbo as well. Probably there is still some oil, old oil around, but I just make sure everything is fine. So for 4th time I'm gonna switch on engine. Please observe in the dashboard the small lamp which telling about the if the system oil system working. So that's the one. That's supposed to be go off. It's go off, so it's fine. See, so if it's go off, that means system working fine. I think I'm gonna add one more movie about how to reset the oil warning.